As we get closer to Thanksgiving, people start, reflecting on the things in their life that they are most grateful for.
And the Women Tech Council talking to members of the Utah tech community and found the tech advancements they are most grateful for. And we have the results this afternoon. Sydney Tetro here with us today, going through some of these and love these ideas because we were just kind of looking here and yeah, I think you've got some winners. I really like these. What are people in the tech world the most grateful for?
Well, as we talk about that, technology really has changed our life, and it's continuing to across every segment, from what we wear to how we interact to our families. And so we thought about it in kind of 4 different categories. So what are one of those places where it's really improving our lives? The example that we are actually showing today is tied to some of the technology work that's happened since Hurricane Harvey.
Oh.
So you have large numbers of families that are displaced. This is the first time technology is being used to help those families get their intake applications in so that they can get back into their homes faster.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So I really, really like this. So we're showing a few of those screens, but usually it's paperwork, right? Going to places, and now we need photos. You've got the ability to do it all online, get the responses, and more quickly get the process down. That's a really big way tech's improving our lives today.
I tell you, that's the last thing that people need is to actually physically have to go to those aid organizations. They can just do it at home. That makes their life so much easier.
Exactly. Anything we can do to help them get back into their normal lives.
Sure.
So I really love how technology does that. One of the other places is that we love technology is in the ways it makes us more creative. Right, so a couple of the things we were talking about here is, I even was talking to my 12-year-old son. He's like, I needed to make a logo for my new project. So where does he go? Goes to his mobile app, downloads the Logo Maker app, creates a logo, makes all of the modifications, uploads that to their site, and then goes into creating video content, all from their mobile devices.
Wow.
This is pretty impressive, right, for them to be able to do that. These are really quick, easy things. You're seeing some pictures there of going to Logo Maker, adding fonts, adding names, going for it. And then this is an example of an app that I love called Ghost Lens. So Ghost Lens allows you to transpose one image on top of a video. So if I have a logo that I want to put on top of a video or create special effects, it's all from your mobile device.
Wow.
Take one photo, transport it over the top.
That's great. And I think just a few years ago that you would have needed computers and high-speed access to various software programs.
Exactly.
I mean...
it's like you're putting Don Draper out of work.
Really, yeah.
It's amazing. It's in your hands. Right? One of the other places we love, too, is that it really drives innovation. So we've all been watching the iPhone X launch.
Yeah.
Right? I have my iPhone X. And what's really cool, what I love about it, is some of the Face ID technology.
Okay.
Exactly.
The button is gone, right? The home button's gone.
Home button's gone. But basically, at the top of the screen, I have an Xbox Connect in my phone now. That's what happened. So Apple actually bought the company that has the chip in the very first Xbox, and they put it in here. So now I have an IR sensor, I have a true depth camera, and I can detect 30,000 points on your face and do really cool things. Apple started using it for authentication. But as we'll show, we're also seeing app developers going with that. Goes all the way to Warby Parker in their application using your face shape to recommend the types of glasses that will best fit your face.
That's really interesting.
And they took the initial launch, and in the last week, they launched that. This is just the beginning. Because knowing what you're doing.
Even as simple as the emojis, too, that we're showing here. That's pretty wild.
Oh, yeah, the Animojis.
Right?
I love the Animojis. I was playing with them yesterday, right? You talk, and and then it's like, I was like, have a magical day, and I'm being a unicorn. Like, that's a really, really cool way to use the face ID.
Now, Sydney, you guys don't know this, but Lori's kids are here in studio with us because they were out of school. And so Lori was taken over today. And I know one of the items on the Christmas list this year is a Nintendo Switch.
Okay, very nice.
He's like, what's happening over there?
There's a young man who just perked up.
Exactly.
For sure.
So, speaking of tech, it just makes our life fun, right? And creates this entertainment side. So we have here the Nintendo Connect, which is really untethering the gaming experience. Anywhere kids go, in whatever projection screen they want, in whatever environment, you can take the Connect, you undo these little controllers, you put them into this, and now you've got a gaming system anywhere.
I will warn you, parents, it is not cheap. I do know that. Sydney, thanks so much for joining us. We appreciate it. And it's amazing how things are changing for us. And they will continue to do so.
And how grateful we are for that innovation in our lives.
Thankful and grateful. Good stuff. Thanks. Good to see you again.